Hey gardeners, are you looking to add a fresh and versatile plant to your garden? Today, we're diving into 5 amazing reasons why you should start growing lemongrass. This herb is a game changer for your garden, kitchen, and even your health. So let's get right into it. First up, lemongrass is an all-natural insect repellent. Its citrusy aroma deters mosquitoes and other pests, making it perfect for anyone who loves spending time outdoors without pesky bites. You can even rub the leaves on your skin for some quick, natural protection. Reason number 2, lemongrass is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. From delicious soups and stews to teas and marinades, this herb brings a unique citrusy flavor that can transform your meals. Just a few stalks in a dish add depth and brightness, especially to Southeast Asian recipes like Thai curries and Vietnamese soups. Moving on to reason 3, lemongrass is packed with health benefits. It's known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which can support digestion, reduce bloating, and boost immunity. A warm cup of lemongrass tea can even help ease stress and promote relaxation, perfect for winding down after a long day. Reason 4. Lemongrass is easy to grow and super low maintenance. Even if you're new to gardening, this herb is very forgiving. It grows well in containers, making it ideal for small spaces. Just give it plenty of sunlight and water, and it'll thrive. Finally, reason number 5, continuous harvests. Unlike many herbs, lemongrass keeps on giving. Once it's established, you can start harvesting stalks and it'll keep growing back, giving you a fresh supply throughout the season. So there you have it, 5 great reasons to grow lemongrass. From its versatility in cooking to its health benefits and ease of growth, it's a fantastic addition to any garden. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and let us know in the comments if you're planning to add lemongrass to your garden. Happy gardening!